Today I'm going to show you our new countertop ice maker that I just unpacked. It came from Amazon on a Woot special for $79.99. I looked at the reviews before I bought it, but I did want one because the way that our kitchen is set up, we cannot attach water to the ice maker in the refrigerator. You see, this is a small countertop ice maker that makes ice and then sticks it in the bucket, which is over here in my sink. Here is the ice bucket. Here is the little scoop that goes in it. And I'm going to take these out and put some water in here, and we're going to see how it works. It is a 3-prong plug, which most people have in their houses, but before I had my wiring done, I didn't have any. Now I do. Okay, now it says push the on-off button, and to get power, the green light will come on. And I'm going to select small cubes, and in 8 to 10 minutes we will have ice. Be back. This ice maker that I just did the unboxing on came off of the Woot site, which I'm there right now showing it to you. It was on sale for $79.99 plus tax, makes it $85.59. It's a 4-star rating. I don't know, maybe 4.2 stars rating. And I was very happy to get it at that price because the ones I had been looking at were quite a bit more. You would know after I buy this for $79.99 on Woot, it is now $76.74 on Amazon, but it's okay. It's only a couple of dollars. Now my kitchen is done in a French country style, and it definitely does not match my kitchen, but I needed an ice maker. So therefore, I now have an ice maker. There are a lot of little accessories. You can get a stainless steel scoop instead of the plastic scoop. Ice maker descaler, which, to be honest, I've never used, and until I moved into this house, I'd had an ice maker in my refrigerator for years and years. So I don't know about that. And it is made by Frigidaire, which has always been a pretty good quality product. 120 volts of clear ice, and I've got it on small ice cubes now, so it should be done in about 6 or 7 minutes. Oh, there we go. Comes with a machine, the shovel, and it's technically not a shovel. It's a scoop and a basket, and it comes with a manual in the box, but you can get another manual online. The only thing I have yet to see that I'm not real happy about is where do you register the warranty? That's my only thing so far. It just dumped its first load of ice, and I didn't even notice it. My husband had to tell me about it. Yeah, they don't look so great, but you know something? It's ice. Now it's filling back up to make some more ice. And we have just dumped a 3rd load of ice. Not that it's a very big load, but you know what I mean. It gives me enough, and it's filling up. It gives me enough to put some in my glass. It's very quick. I'm really shocked. I want to thank all of y'all for coming along today while I unbox this cool little machine and set it up with some ice. And I will do an update, providing there's a reason to. Talk to y'all later. Bye.